the especially merciful.
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.
All praise is due to Allah, Lord of the worlds.
Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim.
The entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
Maliki Yawmiddin.
Sovereign of the day of recompense.
إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين.
It is you we worship and you we ask for help.
اهدنا الصراط المستقيم.
Guide us to the straight path.
صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
The path of those upon whom you have bestowed favor, not of those who have evoked your anger or of those who are astray.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am Seher Mirza, and on behalf of Higher Education Commission, I welcome you all to the national round of Pakistan Universities Debating Championship. Today marks the culmination of months of intellectual exchange and spirited competition among the brightest young minds from across the universities of Pakistan. Before we proceed, let me take a moment to introduce our distinguished panel of judges. Today we have with us Professor Dr. Muhammad Fayaz. Professor Dr. Muhammad Fayaz serves as the Dean of Bahria University Law School, Islamabad. He holds a PhD in law from the University of Central Lancashire, UK, LLM and MS degrees from the Universities of Warwick and Manchester, respectively. With over 12 years of teaching and research experience, Dr. Fayaz's academic interests include international human rights law, counterterrorism, governance, rule of law, the criminal justice system, and research methodologies in law. He has actively participated in numerous national and international conferences. We welcome you, sir. Thank you for being here. Next, we have our distinguished Madam Professor Dr. Arusa Kaval, Chairperson, Department of English, Quaid-e-Azam University, Islamabad. She holds a PhD and postdoc from the Lancaster University, UK. Professor Dr. Arusa is widely recognized for her scholarship in English literature, post-colonial studies, and cultural narratives. Dr. Kaval has authored several research publications and continues to contribute significantly to the literary and cultural discourse in Pakistan. We welcome you, ma'am. Thank you for being here. Next, we have Dr. Sadiq from Pakistan Television. He is the senior news editor. Dr. Sadiq has been associated with Pakistan Television for over years now, which brings him the extensive experience in media communication and broadcasting. His professional expertise and engagement with the national discourse make him a valuable member of the judges panel. Thank you, sir, for coming here. To formally welcome the participant and set the tone for today, I would like to invite the Director General Academics, Dr. Amjad Hussain, to please come on stage and boost the morale and confidence of the participants today. Please welcome Dr. Amjad Hussain.
Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected judges, guests, honorable faculty members, and our talented young debaters. Assalamu alaikum and very welcome to all. It is indeed an honor for me on behalf of Higher Education Commission, Islamabad, to welcome you all to National Round of Pakistan University Debating Championship 2024-25. This event marks the culmination of a month of efforts starting from regional rounds held across the country, from Karachi to Lahore, Peshawar, Quetta to Gilgit, and now here in Islamabad, where the finest minds have emerged to compete on the national stage. Debating, as we all know, is an art that refines the intellect, builds confidence. It teaches us, our students, to think critically, articulate persuasively, and respect differences, all essential traits for leadership. leadership in academia and public service, and society. Events like Pakistan University Debating Championship are more than competitions. They are platforms for cultivating the next generation of thinkers, communicators, and nation builders. The Higher Education Commission remains committed to fostering such academics and co-curricular activities that encourage holistic student development, promoting national, not just academic excellence, but also personal growth, civic engagement, and leadership. I am deeply thankful to all participating universities, our respected judges, and organizing team for making this event possible. Your dedication is what turns vision into reality. To the debaters, I urge you to enjoy this intellectual exchange, challenge your limits, and most importantly, uphold the spirit of respectful dialogue and define the true scholarship. May the best arguments be revealed, and may we all have here today inspired by power of words and ideas. Good luck and thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. I would now like to hand over the stage to our State Secretary, Mr. Fahim Ahmed. So the floor is yours now. Please welcome Mr. Fahim Ahmed.